What is up, guys? Welcome back to a quick little video. So there are multiple options for you to mount your phone in the front of your 2018 and newer JL or your 2020 Gladiator and newer. I have decided to design my own one because I wanted to go the more economical route, if you can call it that, or other people will just call it the cheap option. This one cost me about 3 dirhams in total, because I got the magnets for very cheap. So these work with a 17mm ball mount. This is similar to a Garmin mount. I actually got the design from a Garmin mount off of Thingiverse, that is 3D printing this website, and I have made a 17mm ball mount that goes onto that clamps over your dash cover. Okay, so now your magnet mount screws onto that part, and then you just clip this onto your dash, as you can see here what I did over here. Now this is well, it's a cheap solution. What I'm going to see is I'm going to see if this little lip is enough to hold it in place, or if I might need to add a little bit of double-sided tape on this side, which I can stick in that little cubby hole that's on top of your dash. This is small, it's out of the way, and it doesn't cost a fortune. If you have a friend with a 3D printer, you can have this done in under 20 minutes if you can get the little ball mount as well. Now I'm going to show you guys my design process, how I went through it. I first made a template, put it on paper, cut out a piece of box, and then I drew that on my AutoCAD program, Fusion 360. I am also, then I test printed a few parts out, and have a few of them in the Jeep, as you can see here, that I will be testing to see how they hold up against the weather. PLA doesn't work, so I have tried ABS and also PETG, so I will see which one works. I've heard that ASA works, but for me ASA isn't, I can't really get it here. It's crazy stupid expensive to get that, and I wanted to go a cheaper route, and also I wanted to get it done quicker. I had PETG and I had ABS, so I am trying out these two. Now, as you will see in front of the Jeep, I also have 2 of these mounted, his and hers. Now, the his and hers actually is not just his and hers. It's also to mount a tablet on, which I will be testing out on the weekend to see if my tablet can be mounted on both of these magnets while I do some desert driving. For desert driving, we usually use Gaia Maps just to track where we are going, and that's what I'm going to be using for my desert drive as well. So I will be mounting this on there like this, and I will be seeing how that goes over the weekend. So, and I hope you guys enjoy the making of these mounts. So, if you like this 3D print that I made, please leave a like. If you want to see me do more budget-friendly upgrades like this to my Jeep, subscribe, because I do have a whole lineup of things that I have done and that I will do to the Jeep that you will be seeing here on YouTube. And if you want, check out my Instagram. I also post some pics on there of my projects that I'm busy with, it's not always long enough to make a YouTube video about, but that I think people would find interesting. So if you want to get the link for the download in the description, so then you can check it out there. Somebody in your town has a 3D printer. All you need to do is ask. Cheers, guys. See you in the next one.